If you've closed your iCloud account and wish to reopen it, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have your Apple ID and any necessary information ready. Step 1. Visit the Apple ID website. Go to the Apple ID account page by entering apple.apple.com in your web browser. This is where you can manage your account settings and initiate the reopening process. Step 2. Sign in. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Check account status. Once logged in, check the status of your account. If it is eligible for reopening, you will see an option or notification indicating that you can reactivate your account. Step 4. Follow the reopening instructions. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to reopen your account. This may involve confirming your identity again or agreeing to the terms and conditions of your account. Step 5. Verify and update your information. After reopening your account, verify that all your information is correct. Update any outdated details, such as your password or security questions, to ensure your account is secure. Once you've completed these steps, your iCloud account should be reopened, and you can start using it again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.